Can I listen? Just we have seen about removing unbalanced in concept wise. We just see how to remove the unbalanced in this Python program. Okay, first of all, we have to understand what is unbalancing character, right? If in left side, I am going to have a 3 open bracket. In right side, I am going to have a 2 open bracket. Now, that is what we are calling as unbalanced. Okay, unbalanced parenthesis. Okay, so in unbalanced parenthesis, I am going to make a balanced parenthesis. This is what that code. Okay, so here just visualize this execution. So where it will start? It will start at here I am going to give some input. So this is the input. Here the input is unbalanced, right? So here we are having a two open bracket, 1 close bracket. So this is what unbalanced parenthesis. Okay, so I am going to submit this unbalanced parenthesis. So here in S, the variable S consists of double open bracket AB and 1 close bracket. What I have to do here, I have to remove 1 open bracket, then it becomes balanced character, balanced string. Okay, Nopa. So we just see line by line execution. Where actually this program, where actually it will start, it will be start from S equal to input. Okay, so it's already got the input. So here I want to print the balanced string. So here I am going to create one function. Okay, one method. But what is that method? Remove unbalanced of S. Here what is my S? String. Okay, what is my S? That string double bracket AB close bracket. Okay, so next pointer will come for count. Okay, pointer will come for this count. Initially count is 0. Okay, initially count is 0. What is this res in the sense? Result character, result variable. Okay, initially the result variable is empty. Okay, so in this for loop, I am going to iterate this string one by one. Okay, so what will be the, so for C in S, S is double bracket AB close bracket. Okay, so what is the first character? What is the first character? Open parenthesis. Initially count is 0 here. Okay, next give next, result is empty here. Then C is initially it will read the first character. What is the first character? Open bracket. Okay, so my first character is open bracket. So what it will do now? It will do if C equal to open bracket now, it will increase the count. Have you understood now what I am saying? It will increase the count. So automatically just see in this count value becomes 1 here. Understood now? Count value becomes 1 here. Then after that it is going to check. So what it will do now, in result variable nothing is there. So what it will do now, in result variable it will add the open bracket. So in result variable it added the open bracket. Have you understood, Papa? Next, what is the next character? Again open bracket. So just see here. Again open bracket. So in result, I am going to have double open bracket. Okay, no, pa? In result, I am going to have double open bracket. Then I am going to read character A. Just see here. Here I am going to give two conditions. One condition is C equal to open bracket. Another condition is C equal to close bracket. Else result plus equal to C. So if it is going to read the character A now, what will be the condition? This condition. Okay, so else condition will execute. So result plus equal to C. So automatically result will be added into the just pointer comes here, result plus C. So plus in the sense it just concatenate. So open bracket A. Okay, no, pa? Then what is the next one? What is the next character? Next character is B. So again it will come for else. What is next character? Next character here is B. So again it will come for else. Oh, I moved the last. Now B is added into the result. Okay, Noda. Next I am going to read the last character. What is the last character? Close parenthesis. So it will read the close parenthesis. So elif condition will work for close parenthesis. Okay, Noda. Elif C equal to close parenthesis. If count is greater than 0 now, already count is greater than 0, right? So count is greater than 0 now, it will make a -1. Okay, Noda. So it will make a -1. So it is added into the double parenthesis AB, one close parenthesis. Now what is the extra parenthesis? One open parenthesis is extra. So what will be the count value? 1. So count value is greater than 0 now, automatically we will find that we have one extra parenthesis. Okay, no, pa? So this extra parenthesis, what is the method of replace in Python? Replace the character with some other character. So what I am doing here now, for replacing the open parenthesis, I am going to replace with empty character, empty space. Okay, no, pa? So first is open parenthesis, second is empty. So it will replace with the open parenthesis and it will decrease the count value. Understood, no, pa? It will decrease the count value. So just to see the result, count will be decreased -1. Again it will check for the condition, it is satisfied the condition. So it will return the result as, what is the result, pa? Open parenthesis AB, close parenthesis. Understood, no, pa? One by one, line by line, everyone understood with this code, no, pa? Understood, no, pa? Here I have executed only for this parenthesis, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. What you have to do? You have to add the curly brace. Okay, no? You have to add the curly braces. This is a very important question. It is advanced question in the S4. Okay, here what approach we have followed here? What approach we have followed here? Counter approach. Okay, here we have followed the counter approach. Okay, another approach is what? Stack approach. Okay, what is the stack approach now? Same way here. Here in stack we can insert open parenthesis. Again we can insert open parenthesis. When you are coming with the close parenthesis now, for one close parenthesis you have to remove the one open parenthesis. Just see here. Here how many open parenthesis is there? 2. Here how many close parenthesis is there? 1. So for each one you have to remove one. Okay, so what will be the remaining parenthesis? One open, one close will remove. Pop operation will happen. What will be the remaining? Only one open parenthesis. So automatically we can replace that open parenthesis. If a stack is empty now, what is the meaning? Balanced parenthesis. If the stack is not empty now, unbalanced parenthesis. That is the stack approach. But here we are going to follow the counter approach. Priyadarshini Srikarni explained previously. She explained this the same way. She gave a if loop, if condition and else condition, right? In if condition, I am going to declare here. I am going to declare open parenthesis. In elif condition, I am going to declare close parenthesis. Okay, shall we change for balanced parenthesis? Noda, we just complete this code. From first onwards, we will start. Yes. Here, I am just then let's see here. Here I am changing the input as open bracket AB close bracket. Okay, for this input we just see how it is going to work. Where it will green pointer and pink pointer. Green pointer. What is the meaning of green pointer in Python Tutor? The line was executed last week. What is the point for pink pointer? Next line to execute. Okay, Noda. So I am going to give next line. Where it is going for next line? from first. Just to see here, balanced parenthesis, it will call the remove unbalanced method. So the pointer will go remove unbalanced method. Okay, Noda. Then here, just to see here, it reads in result, it reads a bracket A, B, then close bracket. Okay, no pa. Then if it is reads a close bracket now, open bracket A, B, close bracket. Okay, no da. So automatically it is a balanced parenthesis. So it will return as the result as returned value as AB. Okay, no? So what is this for now? It just check whether the input is balanced or imbalanced. Unbalanced in the sense it will remove the parenthesis by using counter approach. Okay, what is the counter? For each open bracket, it will increase the count 1. For each close bracket, it will decrease the count -1. Okay, simple concept. Okay, but without stack. What you will do now? You in this code, you just add stack concept. If you are adding stack concept now, we have to do two operations. One is the push operation, one is the pop operation. For each open bracket, what you have to do now? You have to push. For each close bracket, you have to pop. Everyone understood with this code, Papa? Understood?